Mental and spiritual benefits of fasting are innumerable. Fasting is an excellent way to train your mind and brain to perform better. Fasting looks like a physical exercise, but fasting needs a good control over the mind. Hence, it is also a mental and spiritual exercise. Even if you are an atheist, benefits of fasting to improve your mental skills and brain functionality are hard to ignore. Spiritual benefits of fasting. If you are a spiritual seeker, fasting can act as a media to communicate with the Almighty. It is a way to express your love towards God. It is a way to train your mind to strengthen your belief in God. Various Indian spiritual textbooks explain that fasting during Ekadashi or 11th day of Hindu calendar is very beneficial for mental detoxification and to get rid of sins. Fasting is called Upavasa in Ayurveda, where Up means near and Vas means to stay. Fasting can become spiritual only when the mind resides near the God. Mental benefits of fasting. Control over mind. Fasting helps to control over mind. When you start fasting, it is more of mental hunger that you need to control than the stomach related hunger. Fasting helps to have good control of mind, which helps to achieve superior concentration, boost confidence, helps to keep distractions at bay, makes you think twice before speaking. Control over the mind is the key for anger management and following. Firm resolution. Fasting boosts the resolution power of mind. It makes you stick to one particular task and complete it. This is the reason why great people like Gandhiji, while on strike, resolved to fasting. Fasting helps them to stick to their resolution apart from putting pressure on the opposition. Clarity of mind. Fasting clears thoughts of mind and helps in organized thinking. Fasting drives you towards austerity and simplicity. Steve Jobs used to resolve to fasting or eating only fruits for a specific amount of time. It helped him to lead a simple lifestyle with clearer thoughts and a firm resolution not to give in to money. This kind of resolution comes from the power of fasting. His famous quote, "Stay hungry and stay foolish," has its origin in fasting. Hunger in the mind can be increased by controlling hunger of the stomach, because stomach, emotions, and mind are interrelated. For an example, people with more anger tend to suffer more from gastric problems. Laziness. Fasting helps to clear the stomach and intestines of harm or indigestion. Hence, fasting helps to get rid of laziness. Lighter inside. Fasting makes you feel lighter inside. It gives you a healthy body and healthier mind. Benefits according to Ayurveda. Fasting boosts sattvic nature of mind. Fasting boosts Pitta. Pitta dosh is related with enthusiasm, intelligence, analytical ability of mind, dedication, resolution to achieve the task at hand, etc. So, enjoy mental and spiritual benefits of fasting by incorporating it after consulting your doctor. Caution: people who are very lean having less strength and having Vata and Pitta imbalance or increase of Pitta should fast only after consultation with Ayurvedic doctor. Fasting and autophagy. Autophagy is a mechanism by which the body recycles old and dead body cells and cell components. This process is very useful when someone has a disease and stress. It promotes survival chance of the individual by providing extra source of energy and cell components to the new cells and tissues. The same process is very useful when a person is starving. This concept is explained as a Dhatu Shosh in Ayurveda. When food is not supplied, the Agni or digestive fire eats up the body tissues, leading to weight loss, and if it continues for a long time, it leads to death. But in case of controlled fasting, the process of autophagy leads to good recycling of dead and old body cells and extracting energy out of them. So, fasting can stimulate a controlled stress response of the body. Signs and symptoms of successful fasting or Langhan therapy. Proper excretion of flatus, urine and feces. Lightness of the body. Feeling of purity in heart. Feeling purity in eructation. Feeling clarity in throat. Lack of drowsiness and excretion. Appearance of sweat and appreciation of taste for food. Hunger, thirst and contentment, etc. Adverse effects of excessive fasting or Langhan therapy. Cracking of the skin, crackling sound in small joints, malaise, body ache, cough, dryness of mouth, loss of appetite, anorexia, thirst, weakness of ears and eyes, loss of memory, dizziness, frequent upward movement of Vata and bloating, bradycardia, lowered functioning of heart, emaciation of body, loss of digestion power and body strength, etc. At the end, consult your Ayurveda physician for personalized advice. Hope this information brings health in your life. Thank you.